I'm using sour cream, some guacamole. This is really my first time using guacamole. Some lettuce, some romaine lettuce, some new foldable, what you call them? Tortillas. Never heard of foldable, but I like them. Black beans, diced tomatoes, and corn, Mexican corn. Love those things. And don't forget, we can't forget the cheese. The refried beans. This is my first time using those. And it got that sausage type stuff in it. And then the salsa. Okay, so which I forgot to use that. Taco seasoning. Black olives, chopped, but I don't like them chopped. I like them like a circle. And I use them ground round. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to add some cooking spray to the bottom of the aluminum bowl just so the tortilla won't stick. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the tortilla at the bottom. I did double it, so make sure you use 2 tortillas and section them the opposite way so it can kind of be just like a bowl, okay? I like to drain the ground round on a paper towel so we can drain all the grease out. And I just leave it like that, let the grease drain out. Always make sure you do that. Now I am about to cook the tortillas. I am putting them on 350, letting them cook for about like 10 minutes. See what they look like from there. See if you like them like that, or keep on giving them time. I wound up cooking it for a good 20 minutes because I wanted them to be crunchy. Okay. We wanted mine a little crunchier, so I left it in for maybe about 20 minutes. But check it, put it on 15, and then give it some extra minutes just to make sure. I'm about to now just put my refried beans at the bottom. And just use a spoon and just layer it out at the bottom. Okay? And now once you get the refried beans out at the bottom, you just put it on like normal, however you want to put them on. Make sure your hands clean, and you can use your hands. Make sure you wash your hands as you go. And just put it down at the bottom. And do the same thing to the other side, okay? You can use turkey meat if you want to use turkey meat. This is actually ground round. And I like it because the bottom tortilla is very crunchy. So make sure you make it kind of crunchy. You want it to be crunchy. And you know when you cook it in aluminum foil, you just got to cook it for a little bit longer. So there we go. That's the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to add the rice and beans. Now the black olives. And this lettuce right here, guys, you're going to use the lettuce afterwards. You can just kind of lay it on top as a topping. I was going to lay it at the bottom, but I don't like warm lettuce, so I didn't do that. I'm going to, again, use this as like a topper. I also have the tomatoes. That's going to be a topper. Also, I like warm tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead, actually not a topper. I'm going to go ahead and put the tomatoes on. And like I said, you guys, wash your hands to make sure your hands are nice and clean, okay? Don't be doing this with dirty hands. And the good thing about this too, you're going to have a lot left over. So if you want to make tacos the next day or something like that, or a soup or whatever you want to do, you'll have a lot left over. So see, I still got tomatoes and black olives. So what I'm going to do is I'm about to put some cheese on top of this, let it melt. And then I will be, again, using my romaine lettuce once it cool. I mean, not cool, once they get done. And then I'll add my cheese right now. And like I said, this is going to be a topper if you want it as a topping. And then I'm going to put some guacamole inside of it. Salsa once it get done. And there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven for probably about a good 15 minutes. Let it melt and it's done. And I'm telling you guys, this is very, very good. I seen this recipe online a long time ago and I decided, and it came back up again. And I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and try it. And here we go. Let me know, guys, if you try this. I'm going to put it in the oven, like I said, and then after that, we'll be done. And I just add all the toppings and the sour cream and you good. And like I said, that's a lot of different toppings to add, but it's called a taco bowl, okay? And now what you about to do also, go ahead and clean up, because I like to clean up as you go, get everything all cleaned up. By the time you get your taco bowl out, you'll have everything all cleaned up and ready, okay? And like I was telling you guys, I have a lot of meat left over, everything left over. So if tomorrow you want to make tacos, you already have your whole nother meal. And if you don't want to make tacos tomorrow, you can actually make a nice taco soup. And you already have all the ingredients. So you have options. If you like this recipe, if you like this video, please make sure you go ahead and comment, rate, and subscribe. I truly appreciate you guys watching. Hey guys, it is officially done. Here we go. Let me know what you think. And here are the toppings I'll be using. Putting sour cream on it, some guacamole, some salsa, pour a little bit of cheese, just a little bit. And I am going to break up this romaine and shred it up. And again, put it right on top. And there we go. Let me know, guys, what you think. Be blessed. Bye. Toppings, once again. I'm just not finna eat right now. You know, sometimes you make stuff and you're not hungry, but I will be eating it soon. And the guac. I'll take some pictures of what I eat. Bye, guys.